You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -3/8. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 12 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -8. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. And so the final result is x equals -3/8.